Now your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we're warm coming in at 86 degrees, but we're not as warm as we were yesterday at this hour. At this point yesterday, we were at 91, so not quite that warm this morning. We had a lot of thunderstorm activity in near Gulf waters. We had some cloud cover around. All of these things kind of adding to keeping our temperature down just a little bit. Calm winds right now as well. Dew point value 73, a little bit lower than it was 24 hours ago. We've had some slightly drier air kind of filter in just a little bit. Although I still think we have excellent chances at thunderstorms this afternoon. I'll put the rain chance at about 40%. We'll go with 91 or 2 for a daytime high today, and then kind of taper that down pretty quickly as the shower and thunderstorm activity starts. And we dropped about 12 degrees yesterday once one shower moved through near the sensor. 78 by around 7 p.m. I think will probably just about do it. Then there'll be about that 40% chance of showers near the coast, just about to move out into Gulf waters by that time. So it's quiet right now, not a whole lot of action going on, though clearly we are starting to see the effects of the general easterly wind flow that we have had, as well as the east coast sea breeze beginning to advance in this direction. It will keep coming across the peninsula, move into our area, and start to trigger off showers and thunderstorms as it counters our west coast sea breeze, which should be starting any time now. Expect to see those winds start turning a little bit more westerly. Quiet, as I mentioned, on all area roadways, probably for the next 3, 4, 5 hours. So if you need to get out and run some errands, should not be a problem before we get to rush hour tonight. You can see this big spin in the atmosphere here. This spin is a little upper level low that's going to, I think, help to bring us an extra shower or two, and maybe a little bit stronger storm later on this afternoon as those showers advance in this direction. A little bit heavier rain, not anticipating any severe weather, but maybe some heavier storms with some fairly good rainfall around. High pressure to our north kind of stays anchored there right straight through the weekend, providing us with this easterly wind flow. It varies a little bit, moves a little bit north, but you know, for the most part, we're still enjoying this easterly wind flow, which is great for the red tide issue. Sea breeze builds, the thunderstorms start, and they move out into the Gulf by morning. That's a pattern that we're going to kind of duplicate over the next several days. A light east wind turning to the west with the sea breeze in the afternoon. Inland storms start to move toward the coastline as they dissipate, and maybe a slightly better rain chance on Sunday because of a little trough of low pressure down in Florida Straits that'll be moving through there, which could actually just enhance our rainfall chance a little bit then as well. Futurecast shows those showers building in inland areas, the showers coming across, moving across our coastline into Gulf waters, and then dissipating by probably 10, 11 o'clock tonight completely, and leaving us with a little bit of cloud cover during the evening hours. Tomorrow, maybe a few scattered showers out in the Gulf. Other than that, things are pretty much going to be exactly the same over the next several days, with perhaps a little bit better chance of rainfall as we head into Sunday. So a 40% chance of showers today with a high of about 92. Tomorrow, first day of fall, actually first evening of fall. Fall comes at night at about 10 to 10. 91 at that time. And then on Sunday, I think a little bit better rain chance. And then as we head into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I think about a 30 to 40% chance of showers. We'll probably do it on any one of those days. Back to you, Ray.